Good morning, students. So in today's module I'll cover some questions based on exercise 23b and 23c. So the first question is exercise 23b, question number 2. So here in the question, angle A is equals to 30 degree and we need to prove that sine 2a is equals to 2 sine A into cos A, which is equals to 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. So first of all we will solve this sine 2a. So sine 2a is equals to sine 2 multiplied by 30 degree, which comes equals to sine 60 degree, and we know that sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Similarly, we will find two sine A cos A. So 2 sine A. For A, here angle is 30 degree and cos A, that is 30 degree. And we know sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is equivalent to sine 60, which is root 3 upon 2. So it comes root 3 upon 2. Similarly, if we go to find the value of 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. So 2 tan A is 30 degree upon 1 plus tan 30 whole square. So it comes 2, and tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 whole square, which equals to 2 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1 upon 3. On further solving, we will get 2 upon root 3 upon root 3 plus 1. Sorry, it's 3 upon 1 upon 3, which is equals to 2 upon root 3 upon 4 upon 3, which can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 upon 4 multiplied by root 3, which is equals to root 3 upon 2. So we have proved that all the three values are same, so these are equal. Similarly, you can go through the further subparts of question number 2. Similarly, I'll prove question number 4, subpart 7 of exercise 23b. So in this question, cos cube A minus cos 3A upon cos A plus sin cube A plus sin 3A upon sin A, and we need to equate it equals to 3. So we will solve the LHS. So cos cube A, what is the value of A? A is 30 degree, that means cos cube 30 degree minus cos 3 multiplied by 30 degree, that is 90 degree, upon cos 30 degree plus sin cube 30 degree plus sin 3 multiplied by 30 degree upon sin 30 degree. It equals to, we know that cos 30 is equals to sin 60, so it is root 3 upon 2 whole cube minus cos 90 is equals to sin 0, that is equals to 0, upon cos 30 is equals to sin 60 root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 upon 2 whole cube plus sin 90, which is equals to 1 upon sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now we will solve. Root 3 cube is 3 root 3 and 2 cube is 8 whole upon root 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 whole cube is 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 1 upon 2. On further solving, 3 root 3 upon 8 multiplied by 2 upon root 3. So root 3 cancelled, 2 4s are 8, so it comes 3 upon 4, and here it is 1 plus 8 upon 8, that is 9 upon 8 upon 1 upon 2. So it comes 3 upon 4 plus 9 upon 8 multiplied by 2 upon 1, which equals to 4. So on adding, we get 9 plus 3, 12 upon 4, which is equals to 3. So we proved that this evaluation results in 3. So now let's come to exercise 23C. So here I'll solve question number 2 subpart 2. So in subpart 2 there is a question: tan A minus 1 multiplied by cosec 3A minus 1 is equals to 0. So we have to find the value of A. So if the product of two expression is equals to 0, so either both the expression is equals to 0 or one expression is equals to 0, then only the product can be 0. That means tan A minus 1 is equals to 0 or cosec 3A minus 1 is equals to 0. So from here we can write tan A is equals to 1, and we know that tan 45 is equals to 1, so in place of 1 we can write tan 45. On comparing, we can say A is equals to 45 degree. Here also we can say cosec 3A is equals to 1. So first we have to see for what angle of cos it is equals to 1. So we know that sin 90 is 1 and cosec is reciprocal of sin, so cosec 90 is also 1. So in place of here we can write cosec 90. So we can equate 3A is equals to 90. We can say A is equals to 90 upon 3, that is 30 degree. So we got the angle A is equals to 45 degree or 30 degree. Now come to question number 4, 23C. In question number 4 it is given 4 cos square x degree minus 1 is equals to 0, and here x is given that it is greater than 0, equals to 0 or less than equals to 90 degree. So what I'll do, I'll first solve this expression. So cos square x can be written 1, here it is 4, so next step we can write cos square x equals to 1 upon 4. On rooting both side, taking root both side, we can say it is under root 1 upon 4 plus minus, so it results in value cos x equals to 1 by 2 and cos x equals to minus 1 by 2. But we have seen in the trigonometric table for the angles between 0 to 90 there is no trigonometric function which results in negative value. So we can say, but for acute angle cos theta cannot be negative. So we will accept this value, and we know that cos sin 30 is 1 by 2, that means cos 60 will also be equals to 1 upon 2. So you can write cos 60 degree. So on relating x comes to 60 degree. So this is the acute angle. Now in 4 subpart 2 This was subpart 1. And for subpart 2 we have to find the value of sine square x and cos square x plus cos square x. So in subpart 2 we will put the value sine square 60 degree plus cos square 60 degree. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square. It comes 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, which is equals to 4 upon 4, which equals to 1. Now in subpart 3, 1 upon cos square x minus tan square x. So 1 upon cos x is equals to, here it is cos 60 whole square minus tan 60 whole square. So cos 60 is equals to sine 30. You can write 1 upon 2 whole square minus tan 60 is root 3 whole square. On solving we can say it comes 1 upon 4 minus 3, that is 4 minus 3, which comes equals to 1. So now the question is solved. Similarly you can proceed with the further all the questions. Thank you.